Hi guys! Magandang araw sa inyong lahat and welcome back dito sa ating channel. Ayan, this is Anthony, ang palagi nyong nakakasama sa channel na doon, no? Okay guys, ayan, maraming salamat. Welcome back dito sa ating video, no? Ngayong araw na to, another episode, another topic about nursing here in the UK, no? So, pag-uusapan natin dito is working as an agency nurse, as a bank nurse, no? Or whatever you call it, the pros and the cons, no? Pag-usapan natin yan. But in this particular episode, we are going to talk about the pros muna, no? In the next video, you should be looking into that. Now, wait for that. We will talk about the cons of working for an agency or as a bank nurse. No? So, pag-usapan muna natin yung mga yung mga advantages ng pag-work as an agency nurse. Na kasi napakarami mga advantages ng pag-work, no? Hindi lang ang pag-work, kundi pag-work as an agency nurse, no? Siyempre, kung ikaw ay sanay sa mas maayos at mas established na buhay, mas gusto mo yung may routine ka, may oras na nagtatrabaho ka talaga na mandated para sa'yo, this video is not for you. No? This is for people who's looking to free themselves a little bit with the structural scheduling of the working environment. No? So, huwag na natin patagalin at pag-usapan natin, mga kaibigan, kung ano yung mga pros o mga advantages ng pagiging isang agency o bank nurse. No? So, unang-una, pag-usapan natin yung sinasabi ng napakarami kong mga kaibigan na nag-agency nurse ngayon. No? Sila ay kinalimutan yung pagiging isang full-time nurse at sila ay full-time pa rin pero hindi na sila full-time sa employed environment, no? Employed pa rin sila pero contracted hours, zero contract hours sila, and they are not bound to the schedule. They can cancel their shift whenever they wanted to. No, they can pick their own shifts whenever they wanted to. So, unang-una dyan, isa sa mga advantage is yung tinatawag na ring flexible working hours, no? So, lahat ng mga nag-agency, lahat ng mga gustong pumasok sa ganitong klase ng working environment, no, pipili ka lang kung anong gusto mong trabahuhan. Kung gusto mo that twice a week ka lang nagtatrabaho, which is dalawang shift ka lang, 24 hours a week, no? Kung gusto mo naman one shift a week ka lang kasi marami kang pera, marami kang savings, gusto mo lang i-keep yung pin mo, nagtatrabaho ka ng 4 na shifts a month, no? Enough for you to keep your pin. Syempre, pag nandito ka, kailangan mo ng practice hours para ma-keep mo yung NMC pin number mo. So, a lot of people are doing agency nurse because they like the working hours, no? They like the flexibility of the working hours, no? So, kung ikaw ayaw mo na nakatali sa schedule, gusto mo pumili ka lang kung anong gusto mong trabaho, kung kailan mo gustong trabaho, kung gusto mo weekend ka lang, kung gusto mo weekdays ka lang, it's up to you, no? So, being an agency nurse gives you the ability to do that. You can pick and choose what hours you wanted to work. It's very flexible. It's very, ikaw mismo nagdidirekta kung anong oras, kung ilang oras mo gusto magtrabaho sa isang linggo. Yung ibang mga agency nurses, they are working 6 days a week. So, it doesn't really matter if you are here to work and you wanted to work really hard and save money, no? And then, this is also for you, no? Kasi minsan, yung ibang mga full-time nurses, no? You are working 37.5 hours on a regular hours and a regular pay that you are getting paid. Ako, on my in my case, no, I was paid when I first started up, I think I was paid £12.70 an hour, and then on my third year, kasi I was supposed to be on my third year as a qualified nurse. This year, I got promoted, or my salary went up to £14 something an hour. No, so if I'm doing that, I'm getting paid more or less hundreds, 50, 100. 170 pound an hour a day. Now, while if you are on the agency, it'll be more. No, so so that's the first thing. No, una, flexible hours. No, ikaw na ang bahala kung anong gusto mong hours na trabahuhin. Ikalawa is there is a better wage. No, better wage. No, a lot of people are working because they work for the salary. No, a lot of people are working because they want a better wage. No, so kung ikaw ay lumilipat ng trabaho minsan from being an employee of a company, you're transferring to the other company, it's because you are looking for something better. Now, you're looking for some better wage, you're looking for a better benefits, you're looking for a better environment, you're looking for a better boss, you are always looking for the better. Now, so if you are working for an agency nurse, technically you are the boss of yourself. You can pick and choose whenever you wanted to work. You can also pick and choose the wage that you wanted to make. No, so if you are in an employed environment, a full-time employment environment, you have a set wage. When I first started as a full-time nurse for the NHS, I was making 21,000 or 24,000 something in a year. That's a set wage. No, if I wanted to work overtime, if I wanted to work on the weekend, it'll be different because I get an enhancement. No, if you are working for the agency, or if you are working for as a bank staff for the NHS, you would be able to get a different kind of wage, and it's better. I tell you why. Because when I was a full-time nurse, it was 14 pounds something an hour. No, na bago ako nag-resign, tumaas ang sahod ko, naging 14 pound something an hour ako. No, ngayon, if I'm doing a bank shift, like for example yesterday and today, I'm going to make 30 pound an hour. So almost double, or more than double of what I used to get as a regular full-time employee sa NHS. No? But like I said, the 14 pound an hour is basic salary. So if you work on the weekend, if you work on a night, you will get an enhancement on top of that. No? So more or less you get 17, 18 pounds an hour, depende kung anong iyong enhancement na makukuha, depende sa hours na tinatrabaho mo, kung nights or weekends or bank holidays. No? So yun ang pangalawa, you get a better wage. No? A lot of agencies nowadays, private and NHS run companies, no, they are offering a lot better salary when it comes to the NHS. No? When it comes to nursing, a lot of agencies are offering you a better wage, because who will work for the agency, for the companies, private companies like this, if they are not offering better than the NHS. No? So a lot of this company, there is a company that offering way more than what I'm getting now. No? So a friend of mine texted me the other day, when he was working for somebody else's, no, for a private company. He was sent to Nottingham, and he is getting paid £90.50 an hour for 12 hours. That's £1,000 for one shift. No, so there's so many private companies that will pay so much money for the work that you render. No, so napaka gandang option nito. So if you wanted to go on those kind of private companies, you can make more money, and then you can have a better wage, better lifestyle. You can have a good life balance. No? So ikatlo na maganda, if you are working as an agency or as a bank nurse for the NHS, this is particularly with the NHSP on NHS professional. If you work for them, if this is the agency or this is the bank nurse ng NHS, no, specifically for the NHS only, if you are working for them, you can get different kind of wage scales, no? And if you are working for them, you can also accumulate your own holiday pay, no? You can also work and earn your holiday hours, no? So if you, for example, work as an NHSP bank nurse, you would be able to get 1 hour in every 12 hours that you work as a nurse for the NHSP. No? So, maganda to. Isa ito sa mga attractive, no, dito sa NHSP. Kasi, habang nagtatrabaho ka, same thing na nangyayari sa NHS, no? If you have been contracted for 37.5 hours, you get 3.75 hours. Oh, no, you get so divided by 12, the 37.5 divided by 12, and that would be your holiday. If you are working for the NHSP, every 12 hours you work, you get 1 hour as your holiday, no? And you can accumulate that, no? Once it's accumulated, you can release that, and the NHSP will pay you for the amount of holidays that you're doing, no? And you're gonna get paid on a basic wage that you are supposed to be getting on that particular band o kung ano man ang iyong salary, no? So yan, ikatlo yun, you can get accumulated holidays, no? So yan, isa sa mga pros ng pagiging isang bank nurse o agency nurse for the NHSP. Ika-apat is flexible working environment, no? A lot of people are working in a particular discipline, no? You are working in a particular environment palagi, no? So minsan yung iba naboboard na, yung minsan yung iba napeped up na, yung iba minsan napapagod na working in the same kind of environment over and over and over again, no? Ang iba nandun sa, halimbawa ay sa theater for 10 years, 15 years, 25 years, all of their career are spent on this kind of environment, no? So if you're working for the NHSP or on any agencies, no, private man yan or run by the NHS itself, you would be able to experience different kind of environment, different kind of working environment. So, minsan refreshing din na ikaw ay nasa ibang environment. Kasi minsan yung adrenaline mo pumapalo na, minsan yung skills mo na develop kasi you learn more things, you develop more things, no? Because those new things you've never been encountered while you were in this particular environment na you are working with, you are working to, no? So minsan pagka ikaw ay nasa surgical, limbawa medical ang environment mo, yung usual environment is medical department, and you work in surgical, you learn a lot more, you become more sharp, no? You become more observant, you become more focused, no? You become more something fires up in you as well. And sometimes kapag ka matagal ka na sa iyong environment na pinagtatrabuhan, you become a complacent person, you stop learning, or sometimes your guard goes down, no? And sometimes magiging routine na lang yung trabaho mo. If you work as an agency nurse, if you work as a bank nurse, you get to be working in different kind of environments, more opportunity for you to learn, more opportunity for you to develop your skills, more opportunity for you to mingle with a lot of people, and more opportunity for you to develop yourself as a good nurse, no? So yun ang isa sa mga pinakamaganda, gusto ko dito sa ganitong klase ng environment, no? You meet a lot of people. I'm sure a lot of you would say nakakatakot, a lot of you would say kinakabahan kayo. Minsan Ganun talaga ang buhay. If you are going to step out of your comfort zone and move to another place, environment that you wanted to work to, basically, something like this would happen. Na baka kabahan ka, ninervyusan ka, pero that is just part of the job. No? Kapag ka naman ikaw ay nag-resign sa trabaho mo, lumipat ka ng panibagong trabaho, you will still experience the same thing as long as you keep your guard up, no, and you are sharp, you are focused, you are always asking questions if you don't know anything, or if you're not familiar with something, if you don't think that you are the best nurse and you can never do mistakes, no, that would be a good attitude, no. And if you are a people's person, if you are happy working with the team, and if you are happy asking questions, and if you become more focused, you will basically do a better job in this kind of environment. So working environment is different, no? Hindi ka na magpapaulit-ulit ng ginagawa mo. Most of the time, what makes people burnt out is because of the repetitiveness of the working environment that they're working all the time, no? At ang kalimitan, ang isa sa mga nakaka-cause ng burnout is working with people that you don't like to work with most sometimes. So ikaw bilang isang tao na minsan napapagod ka na rin makisama, napapagod ka na rin na paulit-ulit na lang nangyayari, sometimes change is inevitable na. Sometimes change is needed para mag-develop pa rin tayo sa ating mga career. Now, bilang isang mga professional nurses, bilang mga Filipino care providers. No? So, yun. Ang pang-apat, flexible working environments. Ang pang-lima, and last but not the least, marami pang pros, no, na pwede nating isama dito, but we're only be talking about 5 pros or advantages of working as an agency nurse. No? Pang-lima is flexible working patterns, no? Flexible working patterns, no? So a lot of people likes working on nights, no? A lot of nurses like to be working on nights, like to be working on days, like to be working on weekdays, like to be working on weekends, no? Or weekend nights, no? A lot of people are doing that. If you are working in a particular department, if you are working in a particular ward, no, or unit, most of the time there is a shifting pattern, no? There will always be a shifting pattern, no? It's either you work days on this week, weekdays on this week, and then next week you'll be working on nights, no? Or you'll be working weekends to this week, you'll be working weekdays next week. So people likes to be in a certain particular pattern. For example, gusto lang nila na days lang ang tatrabahuhin nila, or weekends lang ang tatrabahuhin nila, or weekdays lang ang tatrabahuhin nila, no? And then if you are in the working environment where a lot of the schedules needs to be sorted, no? Minsan napakahirap kumuha ng certain pattern of work, no? Ng working pattern. Maganda tong ganitong klase ng flexibility when you are working as an agency nurse, because if you have a young family, no, if you have kids that you need to look after, and you can only work all over the weekends, and you have to sort them out on a weekdays, this is a good thing for you. No, this is a good thing for people like us, no, like the people that works for the NHS or for the NHSP or for the agency nurse. No, flexibility of working pattern is a good thing for something like this, no? Kasi minsan, like I said, kung gusto mo lang ay weekends, weekend nights where you get all the enhancement for the hours that you work, no? If you work on the weekdays, you get less because there's no enhancement, then basically might as well considering yung pagiging isang agency nurse, because you can have your own pattern of work. You can have your shift pattern the way you wanted to be, no? So, kung araw na to, may schedule ang anak mo, may school, wala kang babysitter, you can cancel the shift and you can work as on nights, or sa araw ng weekends, nag-aaral mga anak mo, hinatid mo sa school, weekdays, weekends ka lang magtrabaho. Kung ikaw naman ay mahilig sa mga party at you are always going out every weekends, you can work on the weekdays, no? And if you wanted an enhancement, you want a better rate, you can also work weekdays, nights, no? So those are the possibility that you could be able to do as a bank nurse, no? You would be able to do all of these things in your own particular life that suits you, no? So ito yung mga 5 na flex. Ito yung mga 5 na advantages o pros ng pagtatrabaho bilang isang agency nurse, no? Kung ito ay para sa iyo, malaking may tutulong na pagiging isang agency nurse sa iyo, it might be worth looking into, no? Especially in this kind of environment. Well, a lot of nurses are needed in the NHS, especially this winter time, especially with COVID going on. A lot of staff are off because of the COVID. They contracted COVID. You as a nurse would be needed, no? You would be in demand in the agency business, in the agency industry, no? So napakalaki ng shortages ng nurses sa United Kingdom. I was watching the news the other day, and we are looking at least 50,000 vacant position in the NHS. 50,000 is a lot of nurses within the NHS. Kailangan natin yung mga positions na yan to be filled in order for the NHS to work properly, no? So, yun. So, kung itong video na to ay nakatulong sa iyo at video na to ay sa tingin mo ay makakatulong sa iba, please share this video and please like and comment, kasi makakatulong din po itong mga like and comment niyo para naman madagdagan yung algorithm natin sa YouTube at nang minsan gumanda din yung ating algorithm. And syempre, the more people that can reach this video, who really needs to watch this video, would be able to learn from those videos. Thank you so much. God bless. See you all later, and hopefully I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye. God bless, and have a good day.